welcome back to my channel. I'm Nakho, and if you're new to this channel, you are very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. And if you're my returning subby, my darling, you're my day one, please say it with me, baby. Welcome back, and thank you for tuning in today's video. As you guys can see, we are doing a hair review from Gorgius Hair because we are wearing gorgeous hair. Look at it. Definitely something different for me, but I am actually loving it. Honestly, this fringe, love. Okay, what? So they were kind enough to send me this stunning unit, and all the details regarding this hair will be on the description box, as you guys know already. But yes, this is a fringe. It is a curly fringe, and I am absolutely in love with it. And as you guys can see, it's stunning. It has a very nice curl pattern, and there is minimal shedding. Guys, let's be realistic. Curly hair does shed, but there is minimal shedding here. There is minimal shedding, so yeah. But other than that, it's full. It's very full. I think this is 180 if not 200 density also for the fringe. By the way, I didn't have to do anything on this hair except to just wake the curls up by my conditioner and my custard moisturizer from Auntie Jackie. That's all I did. The cut was by them, the trim was by them, and it's perfect. It's perfect. And also, maybe you are not into curly hair, you're looking for something else. They actually do have, they have ponytails, they have your wig, straight wig, different textures, different types, and yeah, a variety if you're looking for something else. But other than that, this is the wig, and I am absolutely in love. Also, the shipping, you guys are always asking me about the shipping. How fast was the shipping? It took a week to get to South Africa. I'm in South Africa, and I believe this company is in China. It took a week, and they sent their parcel by DHL. And yeah, I didn't have to go through any hassle, customs or whatsoever. None of that. So yeah. But yeah, please, can we give a round of applause for this hair? Please, can we appreciate me? I think I make it look good, or it makes me look good, but something me and it, we are in sync. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, I am excited to be here. I was sent this gorgeous parcel from Gorgius Hair, and that's their PR box. That's a hair, and it came in with a wig cap, and there was also another cute gorgeous bag. Basically everything about this company is just gorgeous. Those are clips and hair pins, and that's an elastic band, and that is your tweezer just to plug your hair, and that's like the edge brush or edge comb. And now I'm just showing you guys the unit. This is the unit. It's a deep curl, and it's a fringe unit, meaning you can just put it on and put it off, as you can see. And look at that. And right now I'm just gonna fit this wig on my hair so you guys can see how it looks, and I'm excited. This is a new hair for me. I've never done anything like this, and I am absolutely happy that I tried this hairstyle because it looks so much amazing. It's very easy to style, very easy to work with. Now I'm just using my conditioner in water, and I'm just spraying those curls up. Basically I'm just reviving the curls, and yeah, making sure the curl pattern stays alive and more defined. And I'm just running my hands through it and just styling it. And now I'm going to use my Auntie Jackie curl custard. That is also to define your curls, enhances your curls, makes your hair feel soft and look shiny. You do not want a dull, dry curls. So that's exactly what that product is for. And here I'm just trying to fit my fringe, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, I did not do anything on this curl. I did not cut, I did not do anything. It came customized. Also, there are lace in the middle. It came bleached. So that is the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I think I look absolutely gorgeous. I love you guys. Bye.